Okay, so the rest of the questions in this assignment are not really based on the spreadsheet that we were given. It's actually general Excel features, okay? I am going to demonstrate, okay, how to use the features that they'll be talking about here, okay? And hopefully that will make you understand how to use Excel better, okay? So the first one is to apply a specific format, such as a currency or date to a cell or range of cells in Excel, you will use, and then they give you options. Okay, the first option is what? Conditional formatting, format painter, number format, or cell format. Okay, so before I tell you which one is the correct answer, let me show you. Okay, so let's go back to our Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so let's say we wanted to change this. Okay, you see now at the moment the currency is it's the rand. Okay, which option can we use to actually get this? The most obvious one is to simply look at the features here. You see this, there is a dollar sign here. Okay, and if you go back to your question, it tells you about currency, okay, or date. Okay, so the dollar sign is basically a currency, okay, probably used in the United States and some other countries. Okay, so it's obvious that to actually apply, okay, a specific number format, you will use this feature. Okay, you will use this feature. Okay, so what do they call the feature? Okay, the answer is number format. Okay, you if you did not wanna, okay, get the answer like that, you could have clicked on this one here, and then if you click on number, you see you'll get the options, okay, which actually shows you that it is what? A number format. This is the name of uh the feature. Okay, so you can use your normal number, your currency, accounting, dates, time, percentage, blah 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 blah. We are not interested in this. I was just illustrating or demonstrating, okay, how to get your answers. Okay, so your correct answer is number format. Okay, so you actually choose C for, or in your number 6. Okay, then let's move on.